Hi folks, and welcome back to Physics with Captain Rod. I'm making this video to help you out with number 25 in your Unit 2 homework. Alright, so what we have is, what I always call the cow pendulum here. We have this cow, which is going to be in this problem released from rest at what I'm going to call position 1 right here. And then the cow is going to accelerate kind of down and left and move through what I'm going to call position 2, which is at this location. And the cow is going to be moving in this direction with a speed that I would call V2. And then, of course, they would move up to here and kind of go back and forth like this. So now if we start thinking about the questions, find the potential energy of the 800 kilogram cow when the rope is 40 degrees with the vertical. Now that's referring to position 1. And also I put very specifically in here in your directions, use a datum at the location where the rope is tied off. So what I mean by that is I want you to put the datum here in this problem. All right, now to get the potential energies at position 1, you're going to need the height below the datum. So that's this distance in red. And in this problem, right, we have a right triangle right here. And this angle right here would be 50 degrees, or you can use this angle, which is 40 degrees, either one. And then do the trigonometry to find this, to find this distance. All right, now the potential energy, because we're below the datum, is some negative number. Right. Part B, find the potential energy when the rope is vertical. That's referring to position 2. Here. And the distance you need for position 2 is, why is this not? Is this distance, which is basically 10 meters. And again, we're below the datum. So again, you're going to have negative numbers for the PE1 and the PE2. Okay, for part C, where it says find the maximum speed of the stakes here, I'm referring to the cow. Now you can write a work energy equation. Write out the PE1 plus KE1 plus work equals PE2 plus KE2. And you have numbers for PE1 and you have a number for PE2. And for KE2, you're going to put 1/2 mv squared. Now another important concept here, the work term, if you draw a free body of the cow and you think about that free body at some arbitrary location, like maybe here I'll draw it at position 1, you got the gravitational force acting down, and then the rope is effectively pulling kind of up and left on the cow, creating what's called a tension force. And when you evaluate the work term, ask yourself, does the gravitational force do work? If the answer is no, you move on to the next force. If the answer is yes, then you ask yourself, did I already take that into account in your work energy equation? Okay. Then go on and ask yourself, does the tension do work? And keep in mind that the tension, is always at a right angle to the velocity of the cow. So that hopefully will answer that question. So that should get you through number 25. I hope that this helps. Have a great day.